Hello everyone, welcome to Shashank Codes. In this video, we are going to understand what C programming is in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. First of all, C is a programming language. Where a programming language is used to communicate with a computer and give instructions to perform any particular task. Just like we use English or any other language to communicate with people, we use programming languages like C to communicate with computers. Computers cannot understand human language directly, so we use programming languages. Now, the question is, why should we learn C programming? C is very fast and powerful. It is also considered the base or foundation of many modern programming languages like C++, Java, and Python. If your basics are strong in C, learning other languages becomes much easier. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose you want someone to complete a task. You give clear instructions. In the same way, we write instructions in C language to tell the computer what to do. C programming is widely used in many areas. It is used in operating systems like Windows and Linux, in embedded systems like microcontrollers, and in various types of software development. This is a simple C program which prints "Hello World." Don't worry if you don't understand this right now. We will learn each part of this program step by step in upcoming videos. So this was a basic introduction to C programming. In the next video, we will understand the structure of a C program in detail. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and continue your learning journey.